The world is beautiful in its many ways, but for how long will the Earth's beauty actually last? Current world population today is 7 billion people on Earth. There will be approximately 300,000 births today and approximately 125 deaths today. This will all lead to an annual increase of 11 million people on Earth. From the Old Stone Age to the Middle Ages, human population had been growing at a stable rate. But since the beginning of the Industrial and Agricultural Revolutions, human population growth has been increasing exponentially. The world's population is made up of 49.6% women, while 50.4% of men. Sadly, there will only be 101 men for every 100 women across the globe, meaning 65 million men will be single because there won't be enough women. Every individual has a purpose in life, but how will those purposes be reached when our own self-existence is threatening human life? Food is a big necessity in human life in order for survival. And with a population increase of millions annually, humans will demand for more food, meaning we will need to crop more food in order to sustain our needs. Besides agricultural necessities, humans need shelter, which means a take up in land resources. Human population is actually a competition for space, and the more space we take up, the less space there'll be for other habitats and other species. Humans also produce pollution every day from their everyday lives. From driving the car to going to the beach. Driving our cars releases CO2 into the atmosphere, increasing our chances of global warming. Going to the beach, we leave our trash on the ground and don't pick up after ourselves. Manufacturing is also a problem. It is also a human generated cause for pollutants in the atmosphere. They are also one of the main reasons that global warming is a possibility in occurring. Besides environmental impacts, it can also impact on each other. Humans will start riots, protests, and get angry within ourselves on each other because there won't be space, there won't be food, there won't be resources in order for our survival. We will become angry and out of control. Because of the enormous population that will occur in the future, the density will become really high, that it will cause disease and famine within all of us, increasing our chances of dying. There is still a chance to save the earth, and in order to do that, we must recycle paper, plastic, and glass. Everything, so that way we can reduce the amount of waste on the earth's surfaces. We must also educate ourselves. Educating ourselves is a very big importance in our life. The most important thing is to make sure that women, especially women, are educated. Because the more women that are educated, the less children they will plan to have. The less educated, the more children they will plan to have, which will increase our human population. So it's best to think twice about our future goals now.